I feel so scared sometimes. My feelings just take over because my amygdala, the protection center of my brain, is activated. I go into something called fight, flight, freeze. My brain is trying to keep me safe, so I try to avoid things, feel paralyzed, or get aggressive to protect myself. Sometimes my brain makes mistakes, but to me, the anxiety is really real. Please believe me and validate my feelings. Even though the thing I'm scared of might seem silly, my fear is very real. Once I feel connected to you, then you can help me face my fears and teach my brain that those things aren't as bad as I think. Let me avoid scary things. That makes my fears worse and reinforces that you think they're bad too. I need you to help me approach the scary things one step at a time while staying connected to me. I'm scared, but if you are with me and support me, I'll be okay.